When it got too dark to see the tracks he was making, Barrington decided to go home. On his way, however, he passed a large oak tree. High above his head, there was a great deal of excited chattering going on. It was the squirrel family. Hello up there. Well, hello down there. Having a Christmas party? Oh, yes, it's Christmas Eve. Everybody's having a Christmas party. Well, may I come to your party? Are you a squirrel? No. Well, what are you then? A bunny. A bunny? Yes. Well, how can you come to the party if you're a bunny? Bunnies can't climb trees. Oh, that's true. But I can hop, and I'm very furry and warm. Well, we're sorry. We don't know anything about that, but we do know that in order to come to our house, you have to be able to climb trees. Oh, well, Merry Christmas anyway. Merry Christmas. And so the unhappy bunny continued toward his tiny house.